everybody, welcome back to MG Meaningful Garage. I finally got the H2 Hummer back from the mechanic. It turns out I had a bad O2 sensor, so that was the problem, causing it not to run right, which is a little odd. But anyway, he got everything buttoned up. That was one of the big things why I really wasn't pushing to get to the track last Friday, because I didn't have anything to tow the car to the track with. But so now that I got the rig back, it's all cleaned up. I haven't seen it this clean in a while. So I decided just to try out my new GoPro 9 and try to get a little bit better with it, to get some cinematic views and cinematic pictures and videos of the H2 Hummer so I can introduce my rig to you guys. I had this car for, it has to be about 15 years, maybe 15, 16 years I've had this Hummer. It's worked great for me. I've used it to tow many cars over state lines. I mean, I've gone as far as Maryland, Delaware, upstate New York, Pennsylvania, the Carolinas. I've been everywhere to pick up project cars with this thing. So it's done to me good. It's a very good towing car, it's strong, and it's family oriented. I mean, the insides are really good. I have a third row seat, you know, since the family is getting a little bigger. So I have a third row so I can put Dion back there, because he likes riding all the way in the back. He feels cool and everything. But I mean, I love this Hummer. Always wanted the Hummer. I wanted the H1 back in the day, but obviously I couldn't afford those. So the next best thing was this H2 Hummer. And when this came out, I always idolized these things, man. I mean, I always loved these cars because when I saw Arnold Schwarzenegger drive it first time on the road, I guess he was, I believe he was the first guy that had one of these on the road, street legal H2 Hummers, and I just fell in love and I just wanted one. But of course I had to wait a few years before I can afford one. But now that I have it, I just love it, man. So I just want to give you guys just a little view of all the cars that I have in my collection, and what better way to do that than to do a cinematic video with some good shots of the Hummer. So alright, so without further ado,